ekenekwa gị Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị. So ihe mere n'Enugu steeti Mbosoka, which na nwetacha video ya ma the video circulate everywhere. Kita governor send go representative ka ọ bịa n'ime ebe a bịa kwuo okwu. Video anụnwa ya enwe part 1 and 2. Emenji onye nwe enwe part 1 and 2 maka mme ya ka o too ogologo na ama nnelu ya n'isi. Na nwekwa ihe ọzọ m chọrọ ịjụ asị m. Kita bụ abalị ịtọ Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Biko n'udododo kedenu pictures that seminarian anka na ikuku ya kwuo ya ọzọ. Ndị fada does it mean that the seminarian no nwere afa? The catechist ha nwere afa? Ha nwere foto? So can't up that people on ha bụrụ ụmụ nwanne mmadụ? Kedu ụmụ nwanne ha? Can't people be sharing their pictures? Ndị fada una ama mbịa together share pictures of this young seminarian. Cause his life does not matter. Kita governor abịago send their representative abịago mgbe a na-ekwu okwu insecurity na ndị otu ya, and ọ nwere ihe ọzọ okwu. Ọ sị na ha nọ n'ime ọhịa afly drone. Unu nọ n'ime ọhịa na afly drone na unu ya echetele mgbe a tọrọrọ mmadụ before na fly ya drone. Enwere ihe ndị mmadụ na-eme medicine after death, especially this APC government and everything that has to do with it. Unu ya chetele ihe mee tupu na fly wa drone. Enwere one thing kwuru mbọsị ụka asị m unu that it is better na ebido circulate with picture ndị anụnwa because 1 hour is too much. Inwe ike dono na-achọ that person na village, ọ bụrụ na this guy si get ya n'ime moto Sienna bulie ga another state because his picture is not there. Nwe ike ọ gafee ndị mmadụ n'ụzọ, nwere ike ha kwụrụ n'ụzọ go mmiri go ọkpa go n'echi na ha na-ego ego lie nne na hotel. Picture had run the mother afia gafe. Her mama that his life is in danger, not in the midst of the pololia. So can't you people circulate his picture? And this representative kwala another thing. Mbabi ade ka discover no boda ha enwere ọkụ. N'ezie no kuno for as the whole drama si we unfold and then this video.
Actually, no bụ na mbiala ebe a ọ bụla under a different circumstance. Can't you be? Ibebia for igwe for the council for youth. Ọ bụla ihe dị iche not ụdị ha. Ihe a wutere anyị governor since ọ nwetara information a ke the young man kwuru okwu. Since governor nwetara information a, our people nọ n'ime ọfịa kịta na fly drones and ndị a ama na free. Governor si mugwu n'aka jụọ esi mụ bịawa n'aka m. Mugwu unu that no more okay Enugu state zuike government zuike without finding them there from Monoka. We are looking for them diligently. Makane iha take a different approach. Akunu may go na IT to secure state time. Akunu ma the progress governor make it go since Obata. Man akuma kaine make that progress. No more than their job kunako. All of them are able to cause problem. All of them are able to cause us pain. Ndị nne na-ebe a na-ekwu okwu. Ndị nne mụrụ onye anwụdoro. Ndị nne mụrụ onye anwụdoro. Ndị nne their role is very important. So madam, we put that in. O metelum makana ihe a bụ something very important to us. We pride ourselves as a state. Na anyị move go away from ina aga n'ụzọ mmadụ just bịa tọrọ otie na moto. Or reduce go significantly from Nsukka to Uzo Ebe Obioma. If we na agabuni ichilo binaka, we have done a lot of work. Man, we also know that security matters but something they very fluid. Yes. Because if they match now, Jenny Motegia, Ajoma they sequel from another state where me bata, their cause or trouble. I'm Nandia Beleba Kita, how ma to anya udi response a state GSOHA, and I need to take her kindly at all. We are very, very focused to make sure I tell them there, but also to send a message. You can't come into our house, ban our bedroom, now free. Dr. Peter Mbah will not tolerate that. Itra Mayor, we are going to chase you. I got you and you will face the full route of justice. I'm on right now. I can hear me go before after I'm going to I'm going to ụdị ihe emebugo mgbe dị aṅa and o nwere ihe na-atịhe mmadụ achọrọ bụ ihe mere mana anyị ga na-ekpesikwa n'ekpere ike anyị ga-enwe okwukwe madam ndị nne anyị ga-enwe okwukwe mana ihe m chọrọ ịashọ unu mana gọvanọ unu nwere kịta abụrụ gọvanọ ji egwu eso criminality in any source ndị youth nọ here anụgo m n'ihe unu kwuru igwe anụgo m ihe ikwu about empowering ndị neighborhood watch anyị nwere different strategies anyị ji achụ ya and ọ na-aga face by face ọ bụrụ mfụ kịta forest guard nọ kịta abụrụ forest guard nọ before onye ekwetekwe and ihe eji tie ha bụ ka ha na forest guard achọghị itu n'ọfịs n'Enugu ka anyị bịara anyị sị ha niile cheke ndị dị fit ọ bụrụ na ịdịrọ fit ime anyị sị gị nawa anyị kwụọ ụgwọ we hired ndị dị fit. We trained them with Office of National Security Advisor. We gave them arms. AK-47. Udegbe had to get abro Udegbe. We'll continue to equip them. Then the next level, Gabu, the neighborhood watch. I and Hannah work together with the PGs. All to arm them responsibly. Maki hitro habu inye the wrong person egbe. Messages one must you will auto use weba against the buy. So I scrutinize the process. I should only but somebody we can count on. They committed to all of us, not only well agenda. Man, we are working through it gradually, Igwe and everybody in the Affa. Security abri all over ma actually making the youth. Makana when that young man nukulu. Now, once he had made Merene, they quickly gathered themselves and started the pursuit. So, actually, it takes courage to want to do that. All the youths know about Governor Ekenuno. Man, actually, we know process all now. Everybody know that Napakume at the highest point. No, at the highest point, we are flying the drone to keep trail of. Makana anya madika even amongst us when we need information we never. Kedonye kwalo okeno ni yo no wali headman giga. Apo okeno no. So anya maro so here was security make kuchi hen never. May your my hen neku. Some of our people what are here, but even then, I am well very close information system to make sure can I be about any information. Man, I'm bringing you here. Man, I can assure you people, man, a governor, interested to resolve this matter and every other matter concerning the safety of citizens of Enugu State. I now bump now, look out here now. I found the matter didn't do where you so I need the. Can they mad the same? That is why we started with security first. Man, and they mad because human beings. We had that plan, evil, man. Our Bible says that the heart of man is desperate evil, wicked. Father, what put together? Oh my God, I say I just confession. The master. So I did the confession before. Okay, thank you. We cover go. Man, I think no man. I like me and Wednesday. Ndị na-ebasi m ekwu n'ihe niile maka unu ma that na anyị nọ sometimes abụ ọkwa na anyị nọ o nwekwa ndị ga na-benefit na ihe anyị na-aga tru kịta when the plan gụrụ ihe ha ga-eji ihe ha ga-collect wee mee so they are planning to make sure that na anyị succeed but the Lord Almighty will help us succeed in Jesus name. So m ga-na chichekwa gọvanọ sị na afụkwara m ndị be anyị ndị Affa and that they have shared their heart nekwe ha kwuru nke gbasatara ọkụ I need him Sandra okay on that one Mayor Kyoku something and we also take notes now on Okwa Mayor Kyoku something people can conclude it.
Like going Affa. I do so for council come and say something about the light.
Because Mayor, our own dear brother, Father Mbodile for the effort you put so far. If we youth, because we have that 3 line. That 3 line are connected. Amoku here. Good enough. When Mayor was keeping in touch with me while the engineer was doing the work. So currently, just down here. Okay. Meanwhile, may you release one transformer. Okay. I can expect Naga power energize, but that it does not start from there. They have one village among 7 villages. 9 villages. 9 villages.
5 autonomous energy audit. Okay, I need the energy audit because if you get one transformer and that transformer is not enough, it will blow. Yes. And then I will consider it meanwhile, so I need him come.
Affa. Well, Iman Bass out to upload a super power. Yes. This pathway line. When we assumed office as council, we did energy audit for all the whole local governments. Okay, very good. And we know the concerns of Affa. What we are doing is a form Momoka because from Ebe towards this end, the line is vandalized. So we would want to go that route. So from Amoko, from Momoka to Amoko is on. Okay. So energized already. We are now extending this pathway line to the next community. We energize and we now move that way. And so it's a gradual process and it's being done by the local government. Of course, we gave 300 kVA transformer that is going to. So it's with your councillor. So you can go and ask your councillor. The transformer is with your councillor, and he is aware of it. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm making uno. Una choka mkuoku kwa mekuna. Akusi udo behavior. So when the youth said something, the young man said something, he will post something. It is not just on this matter. He rescue her. The rescue process is ongoing. Difficult to do it again. Yes. Power is one of them. To light up the area, one of them. Yes. Your mayor, if you go that process with our councillor cable, with this stakeholder, hygienist of vacancy. All right, and this name you go have transformer.
300 kVA. Yes. He's aware of it.
So all the body. All of the council. Don't worry, you don't need to take the microphone. Is it with the council? Now, if we have assignments, I need you to verify that transformer and reach me directly. In a need something. I need the motor. I got on Peter. Oh, my high need the motor. Government may open a co-watery opuma or the Connemary Akunma. About Okuno, one we couple now go for man. I Aguaruno, a Coaruno of actually more trust, you go now about here. You go now about getting feedback. Open you open, then I will deal with the matter. Open you open, I will make sure that I reach you. Can you tell that again? Daniel, let me near my people your phone number. Near for them body your phone number. How from that Nemasias? Daniel in an bribe. Daniel in an bribe. Near for them body your phone number. And me validate here also. I'm with 2 sources: the Igwes, the fathers, and the youth. Make sure that Father Mbodi let you aware. He will let me know. I don't know what he have. Only have the one nature. Tata.